Hello buddies! This is the unboxing video of Year Win 4-in-1 car tire inflator and vacuum cleaner. I have ordered this product from Flipkart. It came with a 2-layer good packing. So this is the product inside the package. It has a 2-way vacuum for cleaning purpose and also compressor to inflate the tires. Now let's unbox and see what all it has got inside. So it is very easy to open, no need of any cutter, it's a simple packing. Just unlock these and then open. Inside it has got good supports to protect the contents of the package during shipping. Inside the package there are fixtures of vacuum. This one is for easy reach of vacuum to deep clean corner area, and this is with a brush to easily sweep and clean the trash. So it has also got more. It comes with an handy manual for clear instructions, how to use the product. It has also got some different type of adapters for tire inflator for different usage. This is 2-way flexible pipe for the compressor to inflate the tire. This is a black and silver combo color. Good a looking lightweight 4-in-1 gadget for your car to keep it clean. Also it has got a good bag to keep all these sorted and carry or store in your car. This helps you in emergency kind situations. When a flat tire or low tire pressure during traveling with family or alone in remote areas or at night time, this is a life-saving product. This is the extension hose for vacuum. Now I have kept all the contents inside the bag to check whether they fit easily or no. So we can see it has got all the contents fit inside that easily. I have zipped it and can carry with a single hand easily. It's very handy and lightweight but strong material. Manual is protected with a transparent cover and the inflator adapters for neck are packed. Manual has description of features of the product. It has instruction regarding the operation and the instructions to plug the device to your car using the 12 volts plug. It has operating instructions for tire inflator and instructions for troubleshooting the 12 volt plug. Also information about the 1+1 year warranty, how to claim warranty, and the customer care details listed here at end. This is the switch to shift between the vacuum and the inflator to keep it off, put it in middle. This is the LED light on, off, and this button removes the dust collector portion to clean all the thrash collected from vacuum easily. See how easily it has ejected effortlessly. And this the 12 volt plug. It has got long wire for maximum reach. And this is the tire pressure monitor and inflator settings. It has reset, plus and minus buttons to adjust pressure. This is fuse for troubleshooting the plug. Unscrew and fix the fuse inside plug and screw it. These are adapter for tire necks for inflation. This is how it locks and unlocks while inflating. Inflate the tires using this 2-way air hose by fixing one end of air hose to inflator and another end to the vehicle tire for inflation. And also we have adapter here using which we can screw the adapters easily and detach as per our requirements or need. We can inflate the car, bike, bicycle, also soccer ball, basketball and more. Now let's fix this vacuum cleaner. Connect this side of the hose to vacuum and other side to the extensions. It is very easy and simple to use. Now it's time to test the product. I am taking it to my car and connected the 12 volt plug and tested. Now listen the sound. It is noisy. I put some dry leaves on seat to test the vacuum cleaner. See, all the trash is collected in dust collector by vacuum. Click this button to eject the dust collector. Gently pull this filter out to throw away the thrash. Dispose the trash and clean the dust collector and then attached it back to vacuum cleaner as it was before for the future use. This is test 2 of vacuum. We can see a lot of trash has been accumulated here. This is the another function light, which helps us in cleaning or inflation during night. Let us check how does it clean here. Since the fabric is complex, it takes more time to clean here. While it has worked very well, cannot see any thrash here. It has collected all the lengthy grass. Now let's us test the tire inflator for car. We need to fix the one side of hose to tire with help of adapters. Now connect other side of the air hose pipe to the inflator point and lock them, and before switching on the inflator set the pressure as required. When it reaches the value, the inflator will automatically switch off.